Create rectangle. Yes, that's right. Create rectangle. So guys, so now I want you guys to start writing the code. So I will show you. So this is what I have drawn just now, just to give you some ideas what you guys should do. So can everyone can see my screen, right? Everyone can see my PowerPoint. So this is what the output. So here is what I have drawn. Um, so here we have rectangle. So as you can see here, we have red, blue, black, and white rectangle. So what you have to do now, you guys have to create a rectangle like these four rectangle in on the canvas. As you guys have know that we use create rectangle. So I want you to start writing the code now. So so how many minutes you guys need to complete this rectangle? 5 minutes? Is 5 minutes enough? 7 minutes. Okay, now I will give you 10 minutes then. So guys, please now start writing this, like making this four rectangle. So, so before making, may I ask, like, does everyone understand what I am drawing here? Is it understandable? Okay, so let me just explain one more time then, like for those who uh, doesn't know what is going on here. So as you can see here, so we have one big um, we have one big window here. So here is our window, and the blue light is our canvas, and we have small four rectangle inside the canvas. So as you can see here, so the like the width between the canvas and our white rectangle from the top is 10 pixel, and from the left is 10 pixel also. So I think you can calculate the coordinate of this rectangle by just knowing the the length from each um, each side. Okay, so but the size of the like the length from the um, like the space between each rectangle is 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel, and then the the rectangle size is 20 pixel. Like so, this is this is a square. So each edge is equal to each other. So this is 20, 20, 20. Okay. It's unstable. Okay, for those who understand um, what I am explaining, so please start writing the code now. I will check it to 22. Okay, that's okay. So do you understand what you have to do? But okay, I create one. Yes, now if you have created one, create three more. So I will write. Yeah, okay, wait. Okay. I will write a big note for you. Create this four rectangles. Let me make this really big. Rectangles. Okay. Change some color. Okay. Okay. So let's start now. I will check at 2:22. So if anyone having question, please ask now. So before, so when you finish, you have to show me the code. Oh, Space, what do you mean by space from each other? The space from the top, right? You mean this? You mean the space from the spacing from where? Of which rectangle? This space, right? Oh, yes. You see here, five. I put five pixels. So so the difference here is that only the first rectangle have 10 pixel, the spacing from the top, but the rest, like spacing between each rectangle is 5. So the topmost is 10, and then after that 5, 5, 5. But spacing from the left is 10. All is 10, like 10, 10, 10, 10. But you have two accounts, right? Well, I saw two pen size here. Finally, are you good? Natalie, Rabot, and also one, 2, 4, 6. I, what are we do? Okay, now tell me who are having trouble right now. Okay, so so for Panyasa, I will explain again. So okay, so for those who are writing the code, you can take a screenshot of this. Um, you can take a screenshot of it and continue coding. And I will explain for those who are having trouble understanding what we are doing right now. Okay, I will close this first. So okay, wait, where should I show? Okay, here. So so it's not okay. So for Wansa, so Wansa, have you downloaded the code that I sent to your email? So if you have those code, it has only like it has only this. It have only this. So your code that the code that I sent to your email only have this function. Only have you can only draw a white line. But what we are doing now is to add new function. Yes, you have to add new function like create a rectangle of color. So create another four rectangle of color. So when you click on it, so now what you have to do is to create this four rectangle inside the canvas. And here is the like the measurement that I created for you guys to understand, like to make it a little bit more easier to create. So the spacing from the top canvas. So here, so I only create like for the canvas. Oh, Sukunti. What's happening, Sukunti? I think you are in and out. Are you okay? Are you catching up with us? Oh, okay. So okay, guys. So I will understand one last. I will explain one last time. So the code that I have sent to you, it doesn't have. It only have. Let me run this. It only have this window and this canvas, right? So what I want you to do now is to create another four rectangle inside the canvas, like this. Understand? Understand now? You got what I mean? So I want you to create small rectangle, four more small rectangle inside the canvas. And here is I give you the measurements. So this is the measurements. So if you can look at the measurements here. So if you don't understand or you don't get what the numbers, the meanings of the numbers in on this PowerPoint, you can ask me now. Okay, so for those who have finished creating the rectangle, okay, you think you're done, right? For those who have completed, can you send the code to teachers per Gmail like you normally do? I will start checking. Right. So please email the code now. I send there. Can you make a private chat? Yes, Krishna. What do you want to talk in private chat, Krishna? So you cannot send the code to. Okay. Okay. It's too big over 100 words. Mhm. So can you just send it to my Telegram, one Krishna? Is it easier? No. Okay. Not Manita, Julia. No. Noah. Noah. Who is Noah? Jared. Okay. So I will. So just give me a minute. I will start checking code. Okay. Perfect. Jared. Um. Who else? Tiger. I'm having trouble with remember names. Is it Manira? Okay. I saw Manira's code. Okay. Jared. Jared is. Jared Manira. Mhm. Manira, your rectangle does not have space. So here, you see here. So here is your code. So see, I have some space like five five pixel here, each space, but your code does not have any space here. So please correct it and send it again. Please add some space, like calculate, like add it five more. Okay. Um, here that is done. Vishna. Okay, let me check Vishna. I'm lagging so hard. This may miss the whole class. That's okay, but maybe I can send you the record video. So just try to complete some tasks then. Vishna, I think I'm having difficulty with your code. So as I copy it, it give a lot of errors. I don't know. Okay, what's up? You can send. Natalie. Okay. Uh, Natalie, you don't know how to. Okay, just you pack. Just pack. Create rectangle and then pack it up, like you pack the canvas, Natalie. It is the same. So when you pack the canvas and now you. Oh, wait. Let me see. I think you. Mhm. Oh, I see. No, actually, Natalie, your code is you have to create another variable to store the rectangle. Example, like the red rectangle, you have to store it in another variable, create another variable and assign it. And so that is when you can pack it. So as of now, you only use canvas dot create rectangle, but you haven't assigned it to any variable. So just create another variable and then store it in that variable and then use pack, and then it will work. Okay. How to space out the square. It doesn't have space. One rate. You have to calculate the coordinate. The example here. So let me ask you, one rate. So what is the coordinate of here, of the red rectangle? One rate. Can you answer? So if I know this is 10 and then this is 10, so what is the coordinate here? Hmm? No, I'm asking you that you don't know how to space between, right? So so if you can find the coordinate here and you can create this rectangle, I might space equal in Python. Okay, guys. Okay, for the who um, mhm. Let me check which snap code for me. Mm-hmm. Yes, which snap code is look good. Um, but I think the spacing is not right. I think the spacing is 10, right, Vishna? This is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, not 5. Okay, but it acceptable, Vishna. I think yes, it okay. So is everyone completed with drawing the rectangle? So please now send the code now. I will check. It's time now. Please send it, even though you haven't completed yet. I still don't know how to space. It, it's not. Okay. Okay. So let's say okay, Manirat. So let's say here. Can you see my? You see my screen now? Yes. So let's say here. What is the coordinate of the edge here? What is the x1, y1, y1, x2, and y2? The edge. No, the edge. The edge here. Is it 0, 0, right? Yeah, it is 0, 0. So if I want to create this rectangle, what is the coordinate of here? What is the coordinate of this rectangle? How to create rectangle, Nirot? Create rectangle, we need x1, y1, and x2, y2, right? What is the x1, y1 of this rectangle? Yes. So what is the coordinate of this rectangle? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. X equal to 10, y1 equal to, okay, 10, 10, 10, 10, 12. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, that's correct. Uh, Henry, one such is one such answer is correct. So Munirat, do you understand what is one such is writing? So 10 means like you can see like that. Okay. So I will move a little bit faster maybe. So for those who have finished, you can send to Gmail, teacher Gmail. Okay, okay. Now I see one read code. Let me check one read code. Munirat, are you understanding? Do you understand? Oh, why are you so small? You understand, right? Okay, you understand. If you cannot create it, I will. I don't know how to. Okay, so one you said you know how to create spacing, right? But why I when I check your code, it's still so small. See why it is so small like this? It this is it 5? Still not done yet. Okay. Okay now. Okay. So if you haven't done, I will just code it for you now. So okay guys, please stop. So if you are doing it, so please stop now. So I will show you how to do it. Um, so okay, so let's say okay. So can you see my screen? Is it big enough? Is it big enough? Big enough, guy? Yes. Okay. See. So this is what what you have. Oh, hello, hello. Okay. Hey, hey, who is hey? One Heng, right? One Heng, you did send me through Telegram, right? I know what's wrong with the word canvas. Okay, but that's okay. One Heng, you can just stop here and listen to me. So, guys, please. Okay, that's okay. So please stop now, and we'll explain you. So just focus here. Please focus on my screen. So this is what you have. What I have sent you. So as you can see here, we have. So let's run it again. We have a normal canvas and we can draw on it. So, so this is our output. So this is what we are going to do. So first we have to create rectangle inside the canvas. So how do we create rectangle? Using canvas dot create rectangle, right? So in order to create rectangle, we have to know its coordinate, right? X1, Y1, and also x2 and y2, right? So what is our x1 and y1 here? So as we see that, so the h is 0, 0. So the spacing between from the top edge to our rectangle is 10, and this side also 10. That means x1 is 10, and then x2 also 10, right? Or is it just 0, 0? So the h is 0, 0. So um, 10, and then from the top 10, from the left 10. So this coordinate is 10, 10. And then to create a rectangle, we need another point, right? So this point. So what is the point, the coordinate of this point? So we have here is 10, right? 10, and then this is 20. So 10 plus 20 plus 20, and then we can find the x2. So x2 here is 20, is 10 plus 20, and what is um, y? What is the y coordinate? So y coordinates here is also, so here is 10, and then we plus another 20 is 10 plus 20. Okay. And then fill. What do you want to? What is the color of your rectangle? Fill. So red. Okay. So let's no. This will not work, right? So so I thought like Natalie faced this problem also. So she doesn't know how. Is it she? Am I Natalie? Are you a girl or boy? I hope that I called the right. Okay, like Natalie facing some problems, so she again. So let me call she, right? Natalie is a girl, right? Hello. Yes. Okay. Sorry. So like Natalie faced this problem, so she doesn't know how to show this red rectangle on the canvas. So we have to create a variable to store it. So let's say we create red rectangle. So we have to, so now we have created the rectangle and we have to store it in this variable so that we can pack it, pack it up onto the canvas. So let's say pack. So, and let's run it again. Mhm. What's happening? Hmm. See, you don't need to pack. Uh, what do you mean, Peng Li? You don't need to pack. So if I, you mean that I don't have to store it in this variable, right? Yes. Okay. So what if I delete this? It still show, right? It still show, but okay. Now it's okay if you don't use if you don't use pack here, but um, let's say okay. So let's just continue to new private chart. Okay. 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 I understand. Okay. Okay, you can you just okay. That's all right. So let's create another rectangle. Oh wait, the rectangle. Hmm. Okay, let's create another blue rectangle. Canvas dot create rectangle. So how can we create the second rectangle? So what is the coordinate of it? What is the x1, y1? Teacher, this is the sequel to make the square perfect space. Hmm. Oh my God, I could not understand that. One sec. So, okay, let me just finish this rectangle first. So I will look into your code. Yes, yes, okay. I'm not good at math. Um, so let me just finish this first. So here, so we know that the spacing between the top rectangle and the second one is 5, right? So, but the x is still 10. So let's say, let's put 10. And then here is, let's say, 12 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5 is this coordinate. And then we have here is what? 30, 10 plus 20. Then here is, mhm, what was 10, 20, 25, and then 25 plus 20, 45, right? 45, fill. Mhm. Fill is what? Fill is blue. Oh, it's so small. Let me calculate again. So here we have 10 from the top and plus rectangle 20 is 30. 30 plus some gaps 5 is 35, and then we plus another 20. 35 plus 20 plus 20 is what? Equal to how much? 20 plus 35 is opposed to 55, right? Why I put 45? It is totally wrong. That's why I said I'm not good at math. Okay, let's say, oh, here, see? So is everyone understand what is happening here? Actually, I'm trying to um, same. Okay. Actually, I just try to uh, calculate to create the rectangle based on the side. So here, so let me just finish the rest. So canvas dot create rectangle. Let's say here, what is this? So this is must be 10. It must be 10. And then what is the y? Where did Where did you get 55? You mean this 55, right? Um, Actually, this is the second rectangle, right? So let's say, so as you know that, oh, wait, how can I? So as you know that here is 0, here is 10, right? So this is 10, right? And then if you want to know this coordinate, you have to take so this black distance is 20 plus this red is 10. So this one is um, 30 and, okay, let me explain again. So you mean you want to know where I get the 55? So the 55, so the 55 is here. The 55 is here. So let me, okay, let me just drag this up. So so this is 55. So this is the y2. This is the y2 and y and x2. So the y2 where I get the 55 is I plus. So the distance between the edge to the rectangle is 10, and the rectangle length is 20. So I got 10 plus 20 is 30, and then I plus some spacing 50 like 35, and then I want to know this location, so I plus another 20, which is the rectangle length. Yeah. So it's just simple here. Like I try to make it simple here by drawing you like the distance here. So if you want to find this location, you can just plus, like plus this 10 plus 20 plus 5 plus 20, and then you can find this location. You understand? I think it is a little bit boring. Okay, let me. But guy, it is too simple. Like it is very simple. Like when you understand how to create, how to find the coordinate. Okay, so let here create the third rectangle. So the third rectangle is x. So x1 is 10. You can see we have x and equal y1 is the distance of from the top edge to the third rectangle. So what is the length of what is the length from the top to the third rectangle? Can someone give me a quick calculation? So what is the length from the top to my third rectangle? We have 10, right? 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 12, 20. 55. Yes, correct. It is 60. And then what is my coordinate here? So what is the x2? What is the x2? So to calculate x2 is the distance. X2 is the distance between the leftmost edge to here. Here. So we have here is 10, and the length of our plus the length of our square is 20. Oh, 30. Yes, so here is right. So then it is 30. So what is the value of y2. So y2 is the length of the topmost to this 80. Correct. Wow, the guy really good at math. I have to spend some time to calculate. The guy give the answer really quick. So let's say black. Okay, now we got the third rectangle. So now the last one, canvas. So let's go quick rectangle. So what is the x1? What is the x1 here? 10, right? 10. So what is the y? Y, where is y? Y, so y we have just now we just 80. So now we add 5 more pixels. So it should be 85, right? 85. And then here is so 10 plus is 30, still 30, but y2 is, so we have here uh-huh 85 plus 85 plus 20 equal to how much, guys? 85 plus 20, 105. Yes, there is 105. So let's say field equal to white. Okay, so now we have completed creating our rectangle. Next is we have, okay, so let's say it. Now we have we can draw it, but once we click on this rectangle, it will not change, right? It will not change this color, right? So how can I change the color when I click on this rectangle? What can we use, guys? Still somebody remember what we want to use? You need to make it into variable. Yes, that also correct, Pengli. And that, yes, that also correct, Manirot. By, what by? What do we use by? Uh, do you guys still remember about take by? Still you, remember about it? Dot take by? Yes, yes. So we use take bind to bind this small rectangle into functions, right? So okay, so now we have it here. Okay, now but before we making the functions, oh, you don't think we need take bind, right? Okay, so okay, before we go into take bind or anything else, uh, may I know how we can make this color black? Like my pen right now is white, but I don't want this. I want to make it black. How can I make it black, guys? How can I make it black? Where can I change it to black? Fill this one, right? This one. Should I change this one to black? Config fill black. Okay, okay. So let's say this black. Okay, let's say okay. Okay, now it's working. Yeah. Wow. Okay. So now we have our pen black, but now I want to change to make the pen black, the pen to into another color when I click on the rectangle. So create, how can we change the color when we click on those rectangle? So I think I might want to use take bind, but before we use take bind, we have to make this like this rectangle into what I wait what Manirat? We need take bind. Okay, yeah, that's why. So actually, I will create one variable to store this rectangle, so we can use take bind later. Yeah, okay. So let's say I will declare this as rec red rectangle. Okay, so I will just create one right now. So red rectangle dot take bind. What other variables should we put here? Oh no, no, not rectangle. Okay, now red rectangle. Anybody? Okay, let me just go. What I do we put here? Somebody know? Anybody notice that I did a mistake here? Currently, I making a mistake, but can somebody point out what mistake I did just now? Something wrong with this, but I just want to know what mistake I did. This code is not correct. It actually is not correct. Canvas, yes, that's right. Because this rectangle is a part of our canvas. That's why we have to use the canvas. Because the canvas is our parent, so we have to use the canvas first. So canvas dot red dot take by. So what is the first parameter? Red rectangle. That, yes, that is correct. Okay, red. Wonderful answer. And then what else do we need? What event? What event do we have to bind to? What event, guy? Function. What function? No. Oh, okay, okay. That is not no, but it almost correct because here we use rectangle. Okay. So actually we need to use take by. To use take by, we need three variable. One is the child or the component names like the red rectangle, and then the second is our event, like something like you normally use like button, something like this, and then the third one is functions. So in order to use take by, we have to give the function three variable. So in this case, what event do we have to use, guys? What function? Oh, set button one. Yes. So button one is when we click this, but it will call this um, when we click when we left mouse clicks. And then what else? What do I have to what do what? Sorry, guys. What else do I have to do? Create what? What is the last? What is the last variable? Function. That is a function. How do you create function? Def. Let's say how to set. But I name this set because we are binding it to red rectangle, right? So we should name it as set red color. And then what we do, we pass into the function event. Okay, now I have binded to the event. What do I have, like what I want to do when I click on the red rectangle? What do I want to do, guys? What I want to do? To change the color into red, right? So config. Okay, so what is config? How can I config? How can I config? Can someone anybody know how to config? How to change the color? So is it okay if I create another variable like the global variable to set color, like something like color, so something like this? Yes. Red rectangle dot config. Yes, but actually that is not a possible solutions, because we are using canvas to create the line, not the rectangle. So if we use red rectangle dot config, it will not change the color of our line here. So what I will do here is I will declare a variable named color, and I will assign the value black into it because when we first run the program, the color of our pen is black, right? So that's why I declare one variable here, which is black. Yes, but and when I click on the red rectangle, I will call this functions. So I will change global color. So I will change the color into red instead, right? We'll change to red instead, right? Is everyone catch up with this with what I'm doing? Anyone following? Okay, now I have declared one variable black. So and when I click on the red rectangle, this function will call and it will set my variable color to red. But now, let me run it first. Okay. Okay, now it's black, but when I click on the red, it will not change. It's still not showing, right? What is wrong here? Can someone tell me what is wrong here, right? Because this field is a static color. This is actually it is static. So when we change the color value, this one still blank. So what I have to do here is just change this white like static um, value to color. So whenever you change the value, this color also change. So the color will be changed. Okay, so now this is black. So when I click on this, hey, why? Why? Can someone, why it's still not working? Yo, okay, black color, fill color. Mm-hmm. Yes, that's right. I found my mistake. So my mistake, I haven't bind it to my function. Yes, I'm so mhm. set set red color. Okay, so let's run it again, and then let me click on this. Yes, that's it. It works now. So everyone understand this? Everyone having any trouble? So if you understand, so I want you to finish the rest three rectangles. Is it okay? Is it look confused but simple? Yes. It is it is confusing but it's simple. No, it's not that. It looks oh yeah, okay. That's right. So okay guys, so I will give you is it 10 minutes is okay to complete the rest three rectangle? So okay, Manirat, if you done send it to me. I want you to complete all these four colors, right? Is it okay? So I will start checking at um three. Let me copy. 10, 3, 7. Let me check on 3, 7. I think I should create eraser. That's okay. If you want to create eraser, you can create it. Okay, guys. So let's start. I will just show this. Okay. So anyone having any trouble or still struggle with something, you can ask me now. So if we just move like this, but someone is still don't understand, I think it will be difficult for us to move on. Okay, I forgot to give. So Kunti, are you okay? Okay. Natalie, are you okay? Okay, fine. What Gmail do I have? Okay, let me give you the email. Okay, guys, I have sent the email to your text box. Okay, so if someone completed, please send the code. Please send the code to teacher Paris Gmail. Can I see the code for a bit? Okay. Okay, now I will just delete this three. Would keep only one. Send it. Is it okay? What? Um, have you figured out what is going on? It's okay. Okay. Now I have just let me run plainly code. Oh, nice, 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 Pengli. Wow, you are really smart. When I study coding, I really don't know what's going on in my studying.
So where do I tried sending here, but it says too many words. Where do I
So,
send it?
can you send to my Telegram, Isna?
What is the name?
Makara.N. Maybe I will.
I don't know how to add.
Okay, Vishna. Let me. Okay, let me try to message you. Wait, what is your name? With Vishna. I can't find your name here. One
I don't
sec
think.
here. I can't find your name in the group, Vishna. I don't know how should I.
Wait, I'll try sending it. Oh, wait, I see. Done, teacher. I'm gonna send a message.
Okay,
There.
okay, okay. Hmm. Nice, nice, nice. Yes, correct. Yes, oh, great job, Vishna. Wow, you guys so smart, right? You are smarter than your teacher. Maybe I have. Maybe I want to. I will. I want to be your student. Can you teach me? Teach me, guy. Okay. I will check once. Wanna read? Oh, I see. Hmm. Yes. 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 Well done, wanna read? Well done. Well done. Monirot, let's go. I create. Oh, yes. Okay. So here, let me check the T code. So here, next time when you send the code, just send it as a Python file. So it is easier for me to check the code. Okay. Oh, okay. Right, 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 right. Okay. Wow, everyone did a great job today. No one did mistake, right? I send a new one, money rod. Okay, I will check. I'm checking now. Natalie. Okay, let me check Natalie code. No, no, no. Wow, my student today is very smart. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, who else haven't sent to me? No need to good at math. One rich. Actually, I'm not very good at. Actually, I'm really bad at math. To be honest, when I was in my university, I'm really bad. Like actually, I couldn't even understand what is my teacher is talking. But you guys very well done. You guys can understand easy what the teacher is talking. Actually, coding is not about good at math or something, but what you have to do is just to practice, keep practicing. The more you practice, the more you understand about coding. It's not about you. It doesn't matter whether you're good at math. If you good at math, but you never practice or you never write even a single line of code, you will never good at coding. Yes. What I want to encourage you is practice more. The more you write, the more you understand about it. I was really bad at coding at the first time. When I was in my third year, I'm still really bad. I couldn't even understand what am I writing. When I look at someone code and I couldn't understand what are they writing. It is very bad at that time. So I feel really demotivated. But I keep trying, I keep writing, I keep searching, and I keep doing practice day by day. It's not about doing one or two or three times, but it's about you keep doing it again and again every single day. If you want to good at coding, that's what I do. Yes, yes. If you have a high IQ, it also help you in figuring problem, like solving problems. It's all about how you approach the problem. Okay, now it's not time for okay, let me check one thing. Okay, it's also time, so 1 minute left. So 1 minute left for hmm, one thing. Okay. Mhm. Well done, one thing. My student today is very smart. No one did mistake today. I'm really happy. Okay, so this is whose code is this? Mhm. Oh, Panyasa. Panyasa also did a great job today. Henry Alpha. Or maybe today only me who did mistake. Oh, oh, Henry Alpha. Okay, Henry Alpha. Okay, okay. So nice, everyone. No one did mistake today. Henry Alpha. Okay. Okay, guy. So may I know who haven't sent yes, I know your name is Henry Alpha. So anyone who haven't sent me the code? Anyone still doing it? I think everyone sent me, right? Is someone still doing or haven't? Oh, but I say how is it going? Or what is it? Are you doing fine? Or are you having trouble right now? Yes, yes. The very I understand. That is also hard for me. So when I first start doing that project, also hard. That really tough for me. Even I know I have been writing code maybe for a long time. I agree that it is very hard. But you guys very smart. I think that is not a problem for you guys. May I know beside that, what who else haven't finished? I think Wansa already sent me Manirot. Manirot, did you send me? I think you already sent me Manirot. Yes, okay. Manirot, Natalie, I received. Panyasa also received. Pengli also. So Kunti also. A lake uh just had a lake spike. Um, Teret, Teret. Wait, let me see. Teret did send me, right? Tiret, did you send me? I Hello, Tiret. Tiret, did you send me the code? Oh, I see. So now we have two people who haven't completed yet. Um, my power trip. Okay. So are you about to continue, or you can't um you can't do it? Hmm. I think Wan Heng also sent me the code. Is now also, so only two people who haven't finished the code. So Taylor, I just want to know whether you can continue or not. Like, did you understand about the code that what I have explained? Okay. So if you haven't finished, like, just keep it to the next time. Then so I will um continue to add another feature. So um just stop it now. So I think we enough. You can continue uh before after this. But now I want you guys to um work with another feature. So let's say, where is my PowerPoint? Wait, guys, please give me a minute. I'm finding. Mm-hmm. Okay. Can you guys see my screen? For Terrat and one right there. Yes, for Redbot and Terrat, yeah, you can like stop it, or you can continue doing it. Um, but now I want everyone to work on this feature. So I have two tasks for you. So one is to add option to increase or decrease pen size when you press on up arrow or down arrow, right? You get what I mean? So let me create. So let me write um increase pen size when press on up arrow, and decrease pen size when press on down arrow. Mhm. So plus or minus? No, no, that is not. Yes, it plus when you press on arrow up arrow. Let me check. Let me just up down arrow. Mhm. Keyboard. What what am I checking? So here, wait, how can I show you? Oh, it's so blur. Here, right, up and down. So when you press on up arrow, the pen size will be increased. Y arrow. So what you want to do? Yeah, what? And when you click on, when you press on down arrow, the pen size will be decreased. So this is the first task. So and the second task. Oh, now just finish first task then first. Maybe second task will be your homework. So guys, so I want you to finish to work on this first task. So please add new function or feature to increase or decrease pen size. Okay, so let me. So the key for so like this, up. This is for up, and then down you have down. Simple, simple. And everyone know what to do, right? Anyone have any question before we move on? What bind for up arrow? See here, 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 up and down. See? You got it, Manirat? Do you get? Okay. Anyone? Any question? If no, start now. I will give you 5 minutes. That is very easy, right? Too easy. But the tricky thing here is how can you set the pen size? The tricky thing is how can you set the pen size here? Can someone figure out what is the tricky part here? How can you set the pen size globally? Yes, right, ball. That's right. That's great. Terret. Light color. Yes, that is correct. That is very correct. So please start doing it. 5 minutes. 3:35. 3:20. I will check. I will start checking the code. Mhm. Mm. Let me. Wow, so fast. One sec. Okay, if you done send it to teacher by email, I will start checking it. Is it take bind or just normal bind? I think. What do you think? What do you think, one rate? What do you think? Do you think we should use take bind or just normal bind? Take bind. When do we use take bind? When do we use take bind and when we use normal bind? Can someone tell the difference between normal bind and take bind? So when we use take bind and when do we use normal bind? Bind to object in canvas. Take bind. Yes, it's now. Yes, it's now. You are telling me in my private chart, not in everyone chart. Take bind. Yes. So actually, Vishna have answering me the question, the answer. So he said we use bind to bind object. We use take bind to bind object in the canvas. So when you have an object or like we just do just now, like we have a small rectangle inside the canvas, we use take bind. But when we work with another window like button or window stuff, we use normal bind. We use take bind only with canvas. So wanna read. Oh, so I use take by. No, no, you are not. Oh, wait, wait. Let me see. No, you are not. You are not supposed to use take by because we use take by only we work with canvas, object inside canvas, like rectangle just now. But when we work with like a window like down or up button, some stuff like that, we use normal bind. So one day, okay. Just remember it. Just any other than canvas, we use normal bind. Okay, I think it's time now. So everyone finish? Is everyone finished?
What is the syntax for up arrow key?
Syntax for up. Okay, here. See here?
Oh,
I write very big for you. It is so big. So Nova, who is the one? I'm really having trouble with remember student name. My brain is really lacking. Teret, right? Nova is you, right? Teret. Alpha, country alpha. Mhm, 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 mhm. Nice. Teret, Nova. Yes, yes, I got it. Okay. Teret, Nova is Teret. Teret is Nova. Okay. Uh, Sawana, Sawana. Who is Sawana? Who is Sawana? Oh, Visna, right? I got confused by your name, guy. Sorry. Wait, wait. Oh my god. Okay, guy. If you finish, you can send to teacher Parichi email. Oh god. Mhm, 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 mhm. Nice. Okay, so I have checked three people as of now. So Krishna, Teret, and also Manirod, right? Henry Alpha. Is it Henry Alpha? Manirod? Is that you, Manirod? Pansa? Is it? Yes. Oh, Wansa and Krishna, and also Teret. Who else has finished the code? I think only three students have sent me the code. So please, 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 it's time now. Please send the code. Mhm. What's that? Manirot, mine one word. Why is not work? Did you finish, Swanari? Did you finish the code? Oh, you need to know Henry is my nickname. Yeah, sometimes I did confuse your nickname with Manirot. I did. Okay. Okay. Yes, I think I received Tiger. maybe I have to write some program to recognize my student names uh, in case. Yes, I will definitely give you homework. So I have one homework for you guys. But so for now, I will just try to check your code to make sure that everyone is. What is this? Tiger. Who is Tiger? Munirod, right? What is this? What is this rectangle here? Is eraser. Mhm. How is it work? How it works? How does it work? Wait, what is it? Chain pen sign. Chain pen sign with with. Why it's not working? Munirod, I think your code is not working. Find your set. Okay. Munirod. Find your set. Okay, guys. Let me see. Let me think. Find your set not working. Find your set. So how about Natalie? Natalie, are you okay? You doing fine? Is everything okay? Hello, Natalie. Are you still here? Yes. Have you sent the code? Uh, are you having any trouble, or like, what are you stucking at? Henry Panyasa. Okay. Mhm. Let me think. Uh, okay. Just send me the code. For those who haven't finished, just send me the code. So for Tiger, I think Tiger's Manirot code. What is wrong with Manirot code? So where is your down arrow? Where is your down arrow, Manirot? I think your code only have up arrow, right? Change size. Change size. Ah, why you use width equal to plus one? What is that syntax? I never see that syntax before, Monirod. I think the problem is your code only with that line. I think only delete that line, it will run perfectly. I hope so. Why is it not working? What? Bind? No, not canvas. Monirod, I think I found your mistake. Hmm? Huh? Why it's so small? Canvas.bind, canvas.bind plus 5. mm, Plus money rod. Actually, money rod, you made like a few mistake in your code. I just want to correct you. So first of all, sorry for the sound. First of all, I would like to correct your first mistake is with your function. So you see at line 44, right? Line 44, you use width um, equal to plus 1. That is not a rising text. So do you know how to change it? Okay. Oh, okay. Yes, Masat, you can leave. So okay. Wait. I have one homework. I just want to but that's okay, guy. I will send you to your email. Um. Mhm. Is that okay if I send you to your email? Okay. So for those who haven't finished, you can just stop here, or maybe you can finish after this class and send it to teacher party Gmail. So I will check it, and as well I will send you your homework through your email. And I think it is time now. You guys can rest. You guys did a great job today. I'm very happy. See you next week. Um, yes, you can go, Manirot. That's okay. Maybe you can correct your code.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yes, goodbye, Visna. Have a good day. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye, Natalie. Bye bye, Redbot. Bye bye, Sukuntir. Have a great day. Yes, thank you. You too. Okay. Bye, Redbot. How is it? Is it okay, Redbot? Bye, Guntir. You have any question, Guntir? Are you still here, Redbot? No, thank. Okay, thank you. See you next week. Bye. Yes, bye. Have a great day. Do you have any question, Redbot? Hmm? No. I thought you have some questions, but that's okay. See you next week. Goodbye. Have a nice day.